Hi guys, my next video is about volume of solids. Volume is the amount of space enclosed in a figure. So if we're going to have here the volume of a cube, so this is a cube here, and the length of the side is 4 centimeters. So volume of a cube is given by V equals S cube. So if the length of the side is 4 centimeters, we can have the volume as V equals 4 cm cubed. So 4 times 4 times 4, that will be 64. So the volume of this cube here is 64 centimeter cube. Next is volume of a rectangular prism. So this is the figure of a rectangular prism. This is the height here, length, and this is the width. The volume of this solid is given by V equals length times the width times the height. Now, for example, if the height of this rectangular prism is 2 centimeters, then the width is 3 centimeters, and we can have the length as 4 centimeters. The volume will be equal to the length, which is 4 cm, times the width, which is 3 cm, times the height, which is 2 cm. So volume here will be equal to 4 times 3, that will be 12, times 2, that will be 24 cm cubed. Next is volume of a triangular prism. So volume of a triangular prism is given by base times height over 2 times the height of the triangular prism represented by capital letter H. Now, for example, if the base will be equal to 4 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters here, and the height here is 3 centimeters, and the height of the triangle here is equivalent to 5 centimeters, we can have its volume as V equals the base, which is 4 centimeters, times the height, which is 5, divided by 2, then times the height of the triangular prism, which is 3 centimeters. So V here will be equal to 4 times 5 will be 20 centimeters squared, divided by 2. This will be 10 centimeter squared. Then times 3 centimeters. So the volume here will be equal to 10 times 3, 30 centimeter cube. Next is the volume of a pyramid. So volume of a pyramid is given by V equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the altitude. So we have here the example. Find the volume of a pyramid with an altitude of 7 centimeters given that the rectangular base has a length of 9 cm and the width of 8 cm. So if we're going to illustrate this problem here, so we're going to draw a rectangular pyramid. So the base is a rectangle, then we're going to have the pyramid. So this is the altitude here, this is 7 cm, then the rectangular base has a length of 9 cm, this is 9 cm here, and the width is 8 cm. So solving the volume of this pyramid, we're going to have volume equals 1/3 times area of the base is 9 cm times 8 cm because this is a rectangle. So 9 cm times 8 cm, then times the altitude, which is 7 cm. So 9 times 8 is 72. So we're going to have here 1/3 of 72 cm squared times 7 cm. So we're going to have 1/3 of 72 times 7. That will be equal to 504 cm cubed. Then 1/3 of 504, or 504 divided by 3, the result is 168 centimeter cube. Let's have the volume of a right circular cylinder. So it is given by V equals pi r squared h. So this is the right circular cylinder here. This is the base circle. Then this is the radius here. And this is the height. Now, for example, if the radius here is equivalent to 3 centimeters and the height is equivalent to 10 centimeters, which is 10 here, we can have the volume as V equals pi, then r squared. So we're going to have 3 centimeters squared times the height, which is 10 centimeters. So the volume here will be equal to pi. 3 centimeters squared is 9, so pi times 9 cm squared times 10 cm. So 9 cm squared times 10, that will be 90 cm cubed. Then multiplying the 2 here, this is equivalent to 90 pi cm cubed. Next is the volume of a right circular cone. So it is given by V equals 1/3 times pi times r squared times h. So this is the illustration of a right circular cone. So this is the radius and this is the height. Now for example, if the radius here is equivalent to 3 centimeters and the height here is equivalent to 6 centimeters, we can have its volume as V equals 1/3 of pi times r squared. So we're going to have 3 centimeter squared, then times the height, which is 6 centimeters. So this is equivalent to 1/3 pi, then 3 cm squared is 9 cm squared times 6 cm. Then 9 times 6 is 54, so we're going to have 1/3 pi times 54 cm cubed. Then 1/3 of 54, that is equivalent to 18, so we're going to have here 18 pi cm cubed. The last one is the volume of a sphere. So volume of a sphere is given by V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Now for example, if we're going to have here a sphere with a radius of 3 centimeters, we can solve its volume as V equals 4/3 times pi, then times 3 cm cubed. So this is volume equals 4/3 pi, then 3 cm cubed is 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. So we're going to have here times 27 cm cubed. Then this is multiplied to 4/3, so we can have 27 times 4 divided by 3, so that will be equal to V equals 27 divided by 3 is 9, then times 4, that will be 36 pi cm cubed. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below and see you next time.